Hey! In front of me is XIAOMI 11T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. First of all, open Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Passwords and Security. Then choose Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Over here, read the instructions and tap Next after 5 seconds. Remember to keep your face in frame. And now you can add your name of your face data. I will go with Fun. And just done. Then when I turn off my screen, now turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!